Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we'll be discussing what to expect in Nifty, Bank Nifty from here on, as well as the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors in focus in trade today, as well as the next few trading sessions. First up, coming to the update in the global markets. So after Wednesday's initial dip, US indices bounced back with significant strength in Thursday's trading session. All the three major indices rallied sharply. We had the Dow and the S&P 500 reaching fresh all-time highs. The Dow rose 1.3% and the Nasdaq gained 2.5% and the S&P 500 gained 1.7%. In Thursday's trading session, Brent oil surged above its 20-day EMA level for the first time after August 27. Going ahead, the zone of 74.875 will act as the immediate hurdle for Brent oil. Coming to the dollar index, so the dollar index failed to sustain above its 20-day EMA level and thereafter witnessed a sharp correction and ended at 100.63 level. Going ahead, it is likely to continue its southward journey and test 100 in the short term. Coming to the update regarding Nifty. So following the Fed's 50 basis interest rate cut, the market opened with a strong upward gap, propelling the Nifty to a new lifetime high, that is the levels of 25,611. Initially, the positive sentiment drove the markets higher as investors reacted favorably to the rate cut. However, as the session progressed, profit booking emerged with many investors opting to lock in gains after the initial rally. Finally, if you see, Nifty ended the session above levels of 25,415 with a gain of 0.15%. On the daily scale, it has formed a bearish candle with an upper shadow indicating selling pressure at higher levels. Going ahead for Nifty, the zone of 25,360, 25,340 will act as the crucial support zone. If the index slips below the mark of 25,340, then the next support is placed at the zone of 25,250 levels. On the upside, the zone of 25,530 will act as the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 25,530 will lead to an upside towards 25,650 in the short term. Coming to the option chain data, 25,500 strike has significant call open interest followed by 25,600 strike, and on the put side 25,400 has substantial OI followed by 25,300 strike. Coming to the update regarding Bank Nifty. So the banking benchmark index Bank Nifty outperformed the frontline indices on Thursday, showcasing its relative strength. Despite profit booking at higher levels, the overall chart structure remains bullish, indicating potential for further gains. Most Bank Nifty constituents closed in the positive territory, reinforcing the index upward momentum. It has ended the session above 53,000 mark for the first time after July 2024. On the daily scale, it has formed a bullish candle with an upper shadow. Going ahead, the zone of 52,700 will act as the crucial support for the index. If the index slips below the mark of 52,700, the next support is placed closer towards 52,300 on the downside. While on the upside, if you see for Bank Nifty currently, the zone of 53,300 will act as the immediate hurdle. Any sustainable move above the levels of 53,300 would lead to an upside towards 53,700. Coming to the option chain data regarding Bank Nifty. So at the current juncture for Bank Nifty, 53,500 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 54,000 strike, and on the put side 53,000 has substantial open interest. Coming to the key market indicators, so if you see the volatility index India VIX dipped by nearly 7% on Thursday. Currently it is trading below its short term and long term moving averages. In trade yesterday, the advanced decline ratio tilted in favor of the declining counters for the third consecutive trading session. Coming to the key sectors in focus, so Nifty Bank, Nifty Private Bank, Nifty Financial Services are strongly outperforming the frontline indices. We believe they are likely to continue their northward journey in the next couple of trading sessions. While Nifty CPSE, Nifty PSE, Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty Media, Nifty Oil and Gas are likely to underperform frontline indices in the short term. Coming to the FII DI data, FIIs sold to the tune of 2,574 crores yesterday, while DIs purchased to the tune of 2,012 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures is at 67.75 on a net basis. This as they sold about 14,026 index futures in trade yesterday. That's a wrap of today's edition of the podcast. Thank you for regularly tuning in. Have a good and happy trading session.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.